Jace lifestyle.
Like, share, subscribe.
So welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today I'll be doing another installation on the Nissan Tiida. But before I do that, I'll be enjoying breakfast. So today buy this. It's a vegan patty which they call a yati. And from the same place I bought this. What is? I think of sorrel. No, it's actually beetroot. So yeah, beetroot juice and the yati. So buy this and see what it says. I strongly believe that you guys should try this. It even has in ackee. That was a surprise to me, but it's really good, guys. Okay guys, this is what I'll be installing in the vehicle today. This is actually a AC filter or a cabin filter. It's the Abra brand, so I don't know if this is a good brand. It's a very cheap brand. First time I'm using this one. So, but first I have to remove the old one which is located under the glove. So a screw here is giving me problem, guys. It doesn't want to become loose. So I'm gonna try to get a screwdriver and come back. So I'm pause the video. So this is what I went for, guys, and I think it's going to pull now. Yeah, it start pull. I'll be stubborn before, I don't understand. So, got the glove box out, and as you can see, this is how inside here looks. So the filter is coming from here, but I have to remove this to get to the filter. So I have to remove this screw right here. I'm going to remove that now. So I removed this screw, but I thought it was only one screw, guys. But if you look closer around the other side, here is another screw. It's here. It's kind of dark. Let me turn on the lights. There is the other screw on this side right there that needs to be pulled to get out the filter. So I'm gonna do that. Yes, I got both screws removed now, guys. So I'm gonna have to remove this thing right here now. I don't know how I'm going to put this back, but I'll try. And the filter is behind this. So let me see if I can wiggle this thing out. I'm using the camera to see it, but this is right here. I think there's an angle at which you take it out. Yeah. This is the filter that was in there. It's nasty, man. It's a very nasty. You can look at the junk in this right here. Mosquitoes and everything, guys. This was filthy, man. Super filthy. I think this was making me sick at some point, so I stopped using the AC. So I'm going to replace it with a brand new one. So this is the new one that I'll be installing, guys. It's still in the plastic. This is the old one beside it that I took out with all the junk and stuff. So I'm going to be putting this in now. So I'm going to remove the plastic. So this one is very clean. So let me see if I can wiggle this in right now. Oh, finally slipped it in, guys. So just push it right in. Just managed to put back in the filter. It's not the genuine one, so it's not fitting flush, guys. So I'm gonna have to go back and get the genuine. So this just has to work for the time being, because I don't have that much time today to go back to the shop to get that. So this has to do for the time. I'm fitting back the screws. Done with that, guys. I'm going to be replacing the glove box now, and then everything should be fine. Yep, the glove box is all installed back. Only thing now, it needs to be wiped off and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna turn on the AC.